what's happening? My name is Kyle and welcome to DIY Buildouts. Today's video is all about how to make cabinet doors. I'm putting some on my entertainment center and I'm going to show you how you can too. All right, let's get started. So the first step in any project that's in my wood shop at least goes through the table saw. Here I am ripping down the MDF outer panels to the 3-inch wide dimensions that I need. Now that I have all the MDF material cut down to size into the strips I need, I have 8 total cabinets that I'm making. There's 7 of them back there, and I have the 8th one right here about to get built. So this will just simply slide down here. That'll be the bottom. This will slide up here. That'll be the top. And what we're gonna do is glue all this up. Then we're gonna hit the trim router around all the edges to make a little recess. Cut up some of the 1/4-inch plywood material for the backing, staple that in, and then paint. So here we go. So here's a quick look at the cabinets up close. This is the back side. It has a deeper recess which the 1/4-inch plywood is going to go into and get glued up on. Now on the other side I did a lighter recess just for a decorative touch so that from the front of the cabinets it has a little bit of flair that makes it more interesting to look at. Now just a quick coat of wood putty to fill in all those tiny little seams, and then it will be on to the backings. And the age-old saying of measure twice, cut once could not be more true here. Because you just glued up 4 panels, make sure to take that extra measurement before you rip down your 1/4-inch plywood. That way everything has a nice snug fit and it'll look beautiful as an end product. Now because my router bit left rounded corners, I used a chisel on the back here just to make sharp 90-degree edges before I put the plywood in and glued it up. Hey guys, I just want to have a big shout out to A Glimpse Inside over here on YouTube. I'm a big fan of the work he does. He was very kind when I rolled my first video out. He made a big mention for me. It's given me a huge push forwards in the marketplace. So thank you for watching this. If you came from A Glimpse Inside, thank you for continuing to watch. And a big shout out, if you haven't already seen his stuff, check out A Glimpse Inside here on YouTube. His name's Chris. He does fantastic work. Again, check it out. Thanks, Chris. So now that all the cabinets have been painted, it's time to install the cabinet hinges. We have 8 cabinet doors to go in with 2 hinges apiece. So let's roll the footage and get these bad boys installed. There's a variety of ways that you can get the holes installed or cut out of the cabinet doors to put the hinges into. You could use a drill press, but in my case, I had this jig lying around, so I went ahead and used it. It made nice uniform depth holes across all of the doors, so I was able to move on to paint rather quickly and get a nice coat on there before the day was over. was to install the cabinet hardware. I always prefer to install it last just because I like to see the cabinet doors on before I choose the location of the hardware pulls. But here you can see the finished product came out wonderful. Okay guys, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, and if you want to be notified of future projects when I upload, hit that bell icon as well. All right, thanks again guys. Have a wonderful day.